To my Black Rose, JCQ. Yeah. Do you remember back in the time when the only sign we had was pickets? But in 2015 it be something wicked. These youngies out here hanging and banging, claiming they crippin', not knowing the road they on, yet either mourn or prison. No vision, impaired from the music they are listening. No individuality, nobody here is genuine. If no one takes a stand, I see this problem continuing. The future in the hands of lost ladies and gentlemen. But I ain't gonna let it happen by any means like I'm Malcolm. Till I'm old, slap with talcum, I rise up just like a falcon. Leaders much more we need them. Even after our freedom, many of us confused, not knowing who to believe in or what to stand for. No history being taught, just bells and keys of work. No thoughts of getting caught. Men have forgotten roles, our women out of control. So many bridges crossed, yet many miles to go. Oh.